this week made trend, you know. It is because I spoke my truth. It is because Obi per se, Obi shame. Now Obi Sam said, and now why for you, there may kind of crash. Yeah. My catcher say, may try some made the year got it to the shape of me, but me fumuhano. As I am ready. Me were fat. Into me call medical checkup. And then my doctor was like, there's an option for that, which I also know. I've seen a lot of people do. And I did it right here in Ghana in one of the major hospitals. I went through the normal process and I did it. I did it for myself. However, do a question, meet me you are.
I don't mean better because I'm a busa be the first. You remember relax away. And you walk us in one man Ushano that's the children to what dream did the ocean 200 and me rent me from intelligent. Oh, me no church on me my bon. And now okay. Okay, all right. Okay. I don't mind go. Oh, they tell me mama me saso no. Maybe I know omonya we. This afternoon on Peace FM. Okay. The topic in the bar app. Okay. So a bar app, na me can say. The video na circulating and it was too short. Me na me say as in one categorically no one kasa why your body. So I would wait until you actually confirm, deny or reject say why. Okay. So and I also said say I will make my analysis after you come out. Okay. That's the reason tell mama me so. Because I hear some man for be demartez me a hypocrite na here was them to me kind of all that stuff. But what I said was, may train my war bedding. Exactly. Into what bed year. Okay. Before I make my analysis, I have a few questions to be person. Okay, no problem. Number one. Also, why a lipo? But me, you know, based on my little research and my little reading, you know, I believe so. Why you're more than lipo, and you can correct me. More than lipo. Because lipo, no, you better fat from like you said. Yes. But what time you not know I flatter, so it looks like why tummy tack and sakaka. Okay, mama chill. We are here can me encourage you be as on quite like. Of course. But because send Crawford who's a master son, you know, I will explain further. Yeah. And yet they are you are. First of all, I've done lipo and I've not done any other thing. Okay. Apart from lipo. Into I have not done my bomb. Why a bum? No. When him some I am me who be beer. Yeah. I have the right to do it. Yeah. And I have the right to also tell you or not. Of course. But what we are seated here today, and God is my witness. It's just the life. Because when I was going to do it, I prayed to God that God, I don't like this part of my body. Yeah. Time and I'm in your fibroid now, me koyi and me bompire. Okay. Into fat no so does wo me fumu and me ko ye no so no me bompire. Because me na me call doctors ho. So I said I don't like this part of my body. Yeah. What can I do? And the only thing was go to the right place. And suck the fat out. No problem. When you suck your fat definitely out, if you have the good shape, you get a very good shape. So you are telling us, say, one year tummy tuck. It's just that no, I've not done tummy tuck. And I'm out shape and draw. Very much so. Very much so. No problem. No tummy tuck because I can give birth again. Well, I said I've been with her for a while, so we can toss her then. The doctor is good. Oh, truthfully, listen, I won't sit here and lie. I won't go and do a liposuction and come and sit down and lie. I've dieted. No. Yeah. I did that. I dieted all right. And I just had to go. Okay, be because now of when you now crowd questions, they are 9 and more. Of course, I have to be able to listen. No, sit somewhere. Okay. So confirmation is just like yes. No tummy tuck, no mama plastic. No plus, no. It's only minus. Your breast is fine. I've not done. No. Now me shot the go from Kakra. Yeah, per se sure. Be passion me near me. No, no for me. Yes, I. Oh, wait. Cannot. Me nya kola. I be the Ghana for one grow. Definitely. Me ko 45 years. Definitely. Nya me ya do me jua there be now. Definitely. Me sasa. Definitely. Me nya dear e me chantro e na me nya dear so e mo obi. Sir. Oba me tell me ko 45 me oba wife for. Ma wo me be wie, me ye me dwuma. Me kura me sebe me kakra me de cover. Ti de me person me ye me ho no de. That's right. Say affect obi ba, affect obi nua, nya obi body de. I feel say me nya bibi a bros. And I've not hidden it. Me dey born my life. Empress I kura me nchim kura bebre. E pacho, who say wo kasa. How can I say now we use Colorad or Colorad? Okay. Colorad, right? We can not see Cora paint. Do you think, sir,
For one now, yes, advertisement, no more encouraging them to, you know, exercise and blah 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 blah. We disappoint you.
No, you know why? Colorado and cheerful. A chill body.
Okay.
A food supplement. Yeah, the kind of home.
Okay.
Emadek lose weight.
Okay.
So lose weight, no, you know, baby, be sage.
Okay.
Because you are losing.
We lose, especially with food. And my baby, any media, and so lose weight, or no for crack off from. Or basaba. Important to cry, even say automatic exercise because of working. No, cry no dia go who said was sremuha baby I am. So when I got to that point, no, I have the resource. Intermediate, meant to me and keep sagging Tommy, no. I went to shape it. I did it in a way says Mcbrown now Messiah me to me out.
Okay.
Into my dear may ya how be and
my last question before I go to my short analysis. Once o can o speech now here KNUST. We are analogy with maintenance of a car.
Yes.
Do you think say a correct analogy now? Why would you
compare
your body to a car?
What I said was, so we yet there changes about body. And me juma na me no.
Yeah.
If you listen me here good body.
Yeah.
One. Me nyini no so no. Me baby sesa.
Yeah.
Me sesa. There is nothing wrong say about women feel so. Ah we na juma e wo kunu one ne fa adwene. Sorry say me fu eso. Enu nti say me call the biggest hospital. Na ma call who the right person. Now I share me. Then I found the only option is say your best sake fat. No? Yes, I hear. O body no any flat. Say flat what be flat water but physically.
Yeah.
Ube who say I am a crack. And only lipo. Yes, I will back. Your friend tell me tap. And no the be chow. Because said the way CS no. No the ya ube to say kwalamono. So I chose the lipo because I can't stand the pain, cuts, and everything. Even though I have a cut for CS, but it's fine.
Yeah.
But from what they show me, it's big. I don't want that. I just want the fat to go off. I don't mind if my body was sag, the skin was sag small. And I chose that one.
Yeah.
So basically, I did something for myself and something that has no complication.
Okay. Thank you.